engineer in this group, so I try to see this whole situation in a kind of more formal way, and my view to this whole problem setting is more methodological. And now, as Philip was telling, so we have been trying first to find out the situation, the basics for what ethics is and how is it dealt with nowadays, and so on and so forth. And based on this, we and theories, of course, we are trying to develop this framework to assess ethics. Then we are trying to develop a roadmap as well to take this framework in the application in real life. So this is work which is going on as well. Now, then we have this risk-benefit work as well going on, and in addition we are starting impact assessment work, where impact assessment in this case now means what impacts the ethics assessment has is likely to have. So in the next step, which we already started, this impact assessment work, so we will develop a methodology to measure the impacts what the ethics assessment is likely to have. And to do that, just briefly, so first thing we are doing is to identify the impacts of ethics assessment in general. And then maybe I just, there of course we are doing a literature review, and then there are two things we are focusing on: impacts of ethics assessment on research and innovation, and societal impacts of ethics assessment. So this is what we are trying to find out the types of impacts first. Then the second step here is to look at the impact assessment methodologies and find out the criteria how to measure these identified impacts and to develop a methodology for impact assessment in this context. Once having developed this impact assessment method or methodology, then we of course want to have want to test it and want to have stakeholders' views on that. And to do that, we will organize a survey and have a workshop in Milan roughly mid-October as agreed so far. And by this means, we try to test and collect views, replies, comments on our methodology. And finally, the most important output of this work is the pilot impact study, which we will carry out together with the European Commission, so that European Commission could apply this methodology in the framework program planning. There are, sorry, these are abbreviations, but University of Twente, Trilateral from UK, Danish colleagues are involved in this, EUSIA from Italy, VTT from Finland, that's us, and IRI from Italy, and then some Serbian colleagues, sorry, I cannot pronounce this, and then the Linköping University from Sweden, and Ericsson, and then our Austrian colleagues are involved in this work. So that's at the moment what I can say is we just started with literature reviews and are working on this. This has overlapping issues with the previous work we have done. So of course we are benefiting the previous work as well as much as possible in here. So thank you.